Hello, and this is my 6th day in Kasol, and actually our trip is 5th day, and we are literally shivering in Kasol. Though the degree is little less, but we are feeling so cold, and you can see the climate here. This is Kasol. This is where we are staying today. Yesterday night we were staying here and we are about to leave today. We are almost ready. And it's completely surrounded with mountains. So we are feeling damn cold. Anu is almost done. Anu done? Let's go.
Yes, I'm ready. I don't want to go, but still I have to go. Just look at my hands. I'm shivering.
Yeah, I'm completely packed.
I'm not able to speak.
Yeah, I'm completely packed here. You can see I'm wearing 2 gloves, sweater, cap, everything. We are not able to talk. So we'll start as soon as possible. We didn't have our breakfast. It's 11:30 and we're going to have our breakfast and സോ ഇവിടെ നമ്മളിപ്പോൾ ഓൺ ദ വെയിൽ സ്റ്റോപ്പ് ചെയ്തു. അത് ഒരുപാട് ഫോഗായിട്ട് ഡ്രൈവേഴ്സിന് ഓടിക്കാൻ പറ്റിയില്ല. സോ സ്റ്റോപ്പ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് ഇവിടെ ഇപ്പോൾ ഒരു ഹോട്ടലിൽ സ്റ്റേ ചെയ്യാണ്. ആൻഡ് മോർണിംഗ് 4 o'clock പോകാമെന്നാണ് പറഞ്ഞിരിക്കുന്നത്. സോ വിൽ സി. ഹലോ, ഇപ്പോൾ 3 o'clock ആണ്. ആൻഡ് നമ്മളിപ്പോൾ ചണ്ഡീഗറിൽ ആണ് സ്റ്റേ ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നത്. ആൻഡ് നമ്മൾ 4 o'clock സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യണം. So, ഞങ്ങൾ റെഡി ആവുന്നു. You can see here.
Yes, I'm getting ready and it's early morning 3 a.m.
It's cold, but we are not feeling that cold.
Cold.
Because...
And we are sleepy actually. I'm damn sleepy because we slept at 12 o'clock, right?
I didn't
Richa?
sleep actually.
Yes, she did not
I didn't sleep and I got up at 2 o'clock. പക്ഷേ അവളെ വിളിച്ചപ്പോൾ അവൾ എണീറ്റില്ല. അപ്പോൾ we had small fight also to get her.
No, it was not a fight. My sister, she was asking me to wake up soon, but I said no. Then she kept quiet. I understood what she meant. So I went, I took bath and I'm sitting here.
Putting makeup. So we'll be ready. No? 10 minutes or no?
Yes, just 10 minutes. I'll be back.
Okay.
Hi guys, good morning.
Good morning. Again, second good
Can
morning.
you see this? Just see the fog. We are not sure what is the temperature here, but it's completely covered with fog and we are feeling cold. Yeah.
But better than Manali and Kasol actually.
Yes, compared to Manali and Kasol, this is far better. Isn't it, Richa? We are not feeling that cold, but
Due to
yeah.
the smog. But we are not able to see the road
And,
here. We have a road here.
We are used to this climate actually. We are able to tolerate this cold and we are fine. We are just wearing one jacket and one sweater things. That's it. Nothing else.
So we are heading towards to Agra.
Agra, yes. Right now we are in Chandigarh and from here it takes another 10 hours to reach Agra. And
First to Mathura temple. And
so on the way we see Mathura temple. We'll visit Mathura temple, take blessings from Lord Krishna and then we'll reach Agra.
so we'll meet in
Agra. Mathura, sorry, yes,
Yeah.
Mathura.
You can see the fog coming out from our mouth actually. It is
Yes.
actually, it is
That's
actually.
nice actually.
We'll meet there.
Until then, bye. Hi guys, so we have stopped at Shiva Dhaba now and time is 10:15 a.m. We are going back to Delhi. Not Delhi, it's Agra. So on the way we found this dhaba, the one which we came on first day while going to Manali. And we'll go inside, have some breakfast, start the journey again.
Yeah. It's cold.
It's not that cold.
Manu is managing.
Yes. Even she can manage, but she's not ready to remove this jacket.
Yeah. I'm tired. Lazy.
Tired of removing and
Wearing it again and again.
Yes.
we'll go have something. Come on. We have reached Mathura temple where Krishna was born. So inside the temple we are not supposed to use smartwatch, mobile, purse.
No electronic gadgets are allowed.
So we have to walk a little. We are going on the way.
We also have a guide, and but thing is they are not
Allow inside.
to take mobile phones inside. Photography is not allowed. This is the way to Krishna's temple, and we are not supposed to take any photographies inside. So that's why we are recording it from outside. So guys, we had been inside the temple. It was really beautiful. I just like the architecture, and the place was very peaceful. So that temple, Krishna actually was born in a prison. And what this Mughal emperors did, when they were ruling this kingdom, they destroyed everything. So they destroyed the prison, and just like that we have Ayodhya, Varanasi, and a few other places where it was destroyed and occupied by Mughal emperors. And after that, they had built mosque upon that. So below we have Hindu temple, and above that we have mosque. So I think she have recorded the video, so you can see in that.
No, I did not. Actually, we were not supposed to. So I had to keep my phone in clock room and we went inside. So we were not able to record the temple
Yes,
also.
and it is completely covered with high security. We have army people, police,
We are not supposed to remove our
each
mask
one of
also like
yes.
this. So it was,
And we were completely sanitized before entering the temple. So it was really good. I just love the place. And once you enter the temple, on top you can see all hand paintings. So Krishna's childhood, his life history, and Krishna's 10 Dashavatas, everything has been hand painted, and that was really awesome. The place was good, but if they had given a chance to take pictures, it would have been even more good.
so we are going back now after visiting that place. We are going back to our car. സോ നമ്മളിപ്പോൾ ഹോട്ടൽ താജ് ഇതിൽ ചെക്ക് ഇൻ ചെയ്യുന്നു. ആൻഡ് പിന്നെ എവിടെയാണ് സ്റ്റേ ചെയ്യുന്നത്. സോ ദിസ് ഈസ് അവർ ഹോട്ടൽ. ആൻഡ് ഇപ്പോൾ ടൈം 9 o'clock. സോ ഇന്നത്തെ ഞങ്ങളുടെ ട്രിപ്പ് കഴിഞ്ഞു. വി ട്രാവൽഡ് അറൗണ്ട് 13-14 hours. The room ഞങ്ങൾ സ്റ്റേ ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്ന റൂം. സോ വി ഹാവ് ടേക്കൻ 4 rooms. ഞാനും മനുവും ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുന്നു. ആൻഡ് വി ആർ ഡൺ ഫോർ ദ ഡേ. സോ ഗുഡ് നൈറ്റ്.